Hey, back at it. Yes, Rattlesnake Ridge. I got to go back there. It's been about 3 months. It seems that every 3 months I'm able to get to this place. Wish I had a little more time always to spend some more time there and really do some investigating. Anybody unfamiliar with what this is Rattlesnake Ridge. It's in Washington State near Yakima, right kind of in the center of the state. And it is a mountain that is coming down. It's about 1,800 feet high. Quarry was to the bottom side of it, and they mined the toe end of the mountain. It started getting unstable and finally started cracking. And it's kind of slowly just tumbling down. There's a freeway below it, a river below it. Could cause a lot of problems, but everybody's kind of hoping that it just keeps coming down in a very slow manner and won't cause any major issues. There are other videos that I have done on this. You can look them up. I will link some of them at the end of this video, as well as put the first one down in the description below so you can start from the beginning. So there's a few more new cracks, a few different things. The mountain's still obviously moving down. It looks like it's moving more towards the quarry again, though. So that's kind of a good thing, right? Now, there's this drill up on the ridge above, and I don't know what that's about. It's new, that's for sure. I don't know why you would drill into a mountain that's coming down, but maybe they're trying to drill into it to find out what kind of rock lies underneath. Who knows? Beyond my understanding. What I do know, though, is that I have a Thursday chat that I do live right here on YouTube at 7:30 Pacific time PM, 10:30 PM Eastern time. And it's every Thursday, just where you guys can come in and ask me questions about drones. You can ask me about Rattlesnake Ridge, any of my other videos. I usually have another person or two with me on the chat that can answer questions as well. And we really just don't have to talk about drones and all that stuff as well. Sometimes we just talk life and fun, and the conversation just goes all kinds of different directions. So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope you guys join us. It won't be this Thursday because I'm on vacation right now on a cruise. Woohoo! It will be next Thursday on the 31st. I will be doing it. Look forward to seeing you guys there, and I will see you guys later. Have a great rest of your day.